Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you or I'm going to teach you how you can increase the size of the eraser in Microsoft Paint. So let's go quick into the process. So we need to bring up and open Microsoft Paint first to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Paint. Click on it under the best match. Now here you will find your eraser. So click on your eraser. And then how can we increase its size? So here you will find this. So if I'm going to click on this magnifier, this option will appear. And this is how we can increase the size of our eraser. Let me quickly draw something. Okay, like that. Now let's click our eraser. And then once you click on this magnifier, this will appear right here on the left pane. So this is how we can increase the size of our eraser. Now if we set this to the above level, you will find that the box for eraser is increasing its size. If you set this to the maximum, you can see this is our eraser. That size, that box right there, that is to the maximum size of our eraser. Now let's use this. So this is now the size of our eraser. This is to the maximum. So if we're going to erase our drawing, we can erase that directly. As easy as that. And if you want to simply decrease it to the center, and this is how your eraser would look like. If you want to decrease this to the lower size, and this is how your eraser would look like. So it's up to you if you could have this to the middle and to the maximum to erase directly all your mess in the Microsoft Paint. That's it. As easy as that, you can increase the size of your eraser. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.